While directories like WeFollow and the Who to Follow feature in Twitter are great places to find peers to learn with, searching Twitter hashtags that are connected to your field is another quick way to find potential connections. Hashtags, which are short identifiers that start with a number sign, are often added to Twitter posts by users. The reason that hashtags are so useful is because they make it possible to easily sort and search for messages that are connected to the same topic. You can see an example of a hashtag at the end of this particular post, which is shared by Katie Washburn. It's a hashtag that's being used by people who are interested in and motivated by professional development. Notice that it starts with a number sign and it's followed by a brief version of professional development, ProfDev. Now, what's interesting in Twitter is that if I click on this hashtag, Twitter will automatically return all of the messages that have been shared that include the professional development hashtag. Not only is this a great place to come if you're looking for more information about what quality professional development looks like in action, it's a great place to come if you're in charge of professional development in a school and you're looking for partners to learn from. All of these people have shown an interest in professional development because they're using the professional development hashtag. You know ahead of time that they share an interest that you share. So this is a place that you can come if you're looking for people that you might want to learn from. What makes this particularly valuable for singletons is that singleton groups have started to use hashtags to organize themselves and to organize their work extensively. And by using the Twitter search bar up here at the top of the screen, you can pretty easily track down posts that are connected to almost any field. For example, special educators, who are often singletons in our building, are using a hashtag called SpedChat. When you type that into the Twitter search bar and hit enter, you can quickly find resources that are connected to special education, or that would be of interest to special educators. More importantly, you can find people who are interested in special education. These are all potential connections for singletons. They're all potential sources for new professional learning. Now, special educators aren't the only people that are using hashtags. Music educators are using MusicEd to sort their content. And by doing a quick search, I can find music educators to learn from. ESL teachers are using ESL as a hashtag. And by searching for ESL, I can really quickly find other people to learn from, partners that I can put into my own professional learning network, even if I'm working alone in my own building. Now, don't forget that if you find somebody who's sharing resources that you think are great, all you have to do is click on their username and you can get a really quick look at who they are and what they're doing. Then, if it's a person that you think is a potential partner, you can click the follow button at the bottom of their icon and quickly add their posts to your Twitter stream. It's pretty amazing, isn't it? With very little effort, almost anyone can find partners to learn from by searching for Twitter hashtags. Now the trick is you've got to know which hashtags are being used by people in your profession. The easiest way to do that is to check out a post that I've written on my blog. You can find it here. I'm doing my best to keep an updated list of hashtags that are being used by singleton groups, and it's a place where you can come and quickly find resources for any of the singletons that are working in your building.